Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over a review of my uniform. I don't think I've ever seen a uniform review yet of the brand names, the style, the material, things like that. I'm going to go over my current one, the brand name. My association currently goes through this this brand for all the uniforms. They seem to be pretty top-notch quality. With the student weight and up to the heavyweight as the one that I'm wearing now. But before we get really into this, let me first say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. They're coming in pretty good, and I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So thank you so much for that. If you haven't liked or subscribed, go ahead. You can do that now. After the video, there'll be something over here or over there. And go ahead, if you want, go ahead and like and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get to this. So this is a Fuji company, Fuji Sport Dobok. This is their karate model, I believe. I just looked on their site the other day, and it looks like they are they cater to jiu-jitsu, judo, and then karate. I didn't see any taekwondo, so I believe this is their karate model, 100% cotton model uniform. So far, it's comfortable. It's breaking in pretty good. There's no rubbing raw on anything. Even when I do get a good sweat, it seems to hold its shape pretty good. It doesn't just, the body just doesn't fall down, and you're looking kind of grummy and stuff like that. It holds its shape pretty good, so at least you guys can look somewhat professional, and your uniform is staying on you. Let's go from the bottom up. These are new pants. So this is the second workout that I am going have on these, and I like the full length, kind of a little bit of a stack, down on my ankle heel area. I want my my pant leg to just hit the bottom of the floor. I know that there is some styles that have pant legs up here like that. That's all good. Not really that type of guy, but I do respect that style. But I just like them longer up there. Now let's talk about the washing here real quick. So I made a mistake, and I did a hot wash, and I'm a dude. I have no kids, no wife, single most of my life. I had to learn how to wash, and I made a mistake, and I hot washed my top and my pants. Now this is a size 5, and I'm about 5'9", and the top kind of swam on me a little bit. I think a 5 is more for like maybe 6 foot, 5'10" to 6 foot, I think. So the top was swimming on me a little bit. So me shrinking the top was a good idea. I think I'm really a size 4 on top, and then size 5 on the bottom. My pants did shrink, just a hair too small for my liking. So I had to reorder another size 5, and I'm just going to cold wash my my pants so they can keep their length, and then I won't dry them. I'll hang dry them. I hang dry all my my uniforms. So just keep that in mind as you're if you're new here or looking into a new uniform, things like that. Just go ahead, and if it fits good, cold wash it. If it needs to shrink a little bit, I'd go ahead and just wash the top hot, and then just if the pants are a little bit too long, you could shrink those up a little bit. But be careful of that, because mine shrank a little bit too much, and I wasn't too happy about that, so I had to buy another pair. So just kind of be aware of that. Let's go to the stitching. So the stitching is perfect. I mean, I haven't sweated too much in this uniform yet. A couple good workouts, but you know, I do roll on the ground sometimes, and you know, if you look at the back, everything is pretty good still up around the collar. I do know that the inside of the collar does get a little bit frayed. When you really work out and you're, you know, wearing a uniform, you know, 6 days a week, things like that. This top, I have had it fray a little bit, but none of the stitching has come out in any of my uniforms. So that's saying something for the quality of uniforms. And this is a heavyweight uniform. Pretty good, 100% cotton. The ties are pretty solid. Nothing wrong with the ties. They are good. They got good sewing. Yeah, nothing wrong with them. The pants, same thing. I do have a tie on my pants, and the tie is exactly the same. The loops on my pants seem a little thin to me from my other one. But my other style of uniform was a Serrato. It was a 50-50 Serrato. And those were the tuxedos of martial arts, like of Doughbox uniforms, gis. Like that was the top of the line. The 50-50 Serratos are really nice. They are so white. They have this blue like tint to them that when you get into light, it's so white that it's blue. It's a really nice material. But I do like these as well. These are a very nice quality uniform. And I highly recommend them if you are looking for just a workout gi that you want to do. Go ahead. I'll put the Fuji link in the descriptions. Fuji Sports, I think is what it's called. It has a lot of different you know, pads, equipment, things like that. Yeah, so far I am liking this uniform. It's holding up how I need it to. Pants are breaking in pretty good. Now for the break-in period, I would probably say give it 3 good washings, and then you will start feeling that the uniform is starting to like mold to your body, because these do need a molding time to like mold to your body. It doesn't take that long, but they will mold to your body just like belts do. You get that nice tight belt every time, and it'll, you know, that knot will just slide into place. Same thing with this. This will hug the right areas. They'll hold up their shape, so you know, like, you know, it doesn't just fall on you and stuff like that. If you're into that deal, but yeah, very comfortable, and yeah, they hold up pretty good. So yeah, other than that, I think that's all I got. Let's see here, got that. Yeah, yeah, sewing down here, everything, the bottom, everything's good. So yeah, so that's my review of Fuji Sports uniform. If you guys have any other questions that they want me to go over, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments below. Until next time, guys, go ahead, train hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.